Guys, this trade is a fucking banger. Look, I'm up 418 ticks, hit take profit 1 and 2.
I'm gonna be giving short to stab here. We came down and then we came back up, tapping OTE range, just respecting it, and everything is in line. 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is technically bullish, but we are tapping to this unmitigated fair value gap here, so it's screaming bearish in my opinion. I want price action to come up and tap us here in this fair value gap here. Stops would be above this this high up here. I'm expecting lower, so we'll see what happens if we get tapped or not. That's the game plan so far. Looking to target potentially this low here, so I'm gonna Alright boys, we are tapped. Now we just wait.
I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you. So I'm back. Yeah. Bitch. Back on my bully. Back on my dish. You in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, better stick, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, take me one bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby, don't ever forget it, no, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold, oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more.
Alright guys, price is finally dumping. I'm up 144 ticks. I'll screen record this really quick. Up 136 ticks now, was up 144 ticks. I'm still looking to take some of my profits up down this low. So right now we're just waiting on price action to come down to this low. And it's about time price finally is doing something. So right now we just wait. Realistically, I would take 100 and plus ticks, but I know this is paper trade and I want to get used to the emotions and I want to get used to just price action overall. So right now I'm just gonna let it wait and just go to my take profits. I gotta get used to, I gotta get comfortable letting price run even though I'm in profit with very high profits. 100 plus ticks. I'm up about 1800 right now on the paper trading account, which is really good. Usually I would take profits by then, but I really want price to come down to those lows before taking profits. Alright, I'm moving stops to break even here. Up 109 ticks here, but I really want this low to get taken out, 110. So we'll see what happens here. We're in this bullish fair value gap here, but would really want price to come down to this low. Bro, guys, this trade is a fucking banger. Look, I'm up 418 ticks, hit take profit 1 and 2. I'm just gonna go and take my profits here, and boom, that is crazy, dude. Literally, I'm up. I would have passed like the first phase here, but I would have broken a literally rule, because I think you can only make 3,000 a day, and I made $940 more. But this trade was amazing, was worth the wait here. This was an amazing trade here.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I caught 396 ticks off of this play. So basically, let's get right into it. All right, so basically what I saw that we had this liquidity up here get swept, this sell side liquidity, and I was still overall bearish. And basically we were in a 4-hour bearish for value gap, but we had just broken structure here, but I still wanted the price to come down and see some sort of confirmation for shorts, right? So we were in this 4-hour for value gap, and 1 hour had already broken structure to the upside, and everything was screaming bullish at the time. But as soon as I saw this liquidity on the 5-minute, so we had liquidity right here, this buy side liquidity get swept, and I was like, okay, we could see some potential downside. So now what I'm seeing and what I'm looking at is, okay, I'm like, okay, if I want to see some more downside, I need to see a 5-minute break of structure. So what I did was I saw that we were displacing down. We had a 5-minute break of structure off of this candle here. We had a 5-minute break of structure, and I wasn't really too worried about these PD arrays here because we still had this 5 minute that we haven't mitigated yet, or yeah, we've mitigated this fair value yet, but I wanted to see us retrace deeper because we had PMI, right? So basically what happened was we had a 5 minute breakout structure, and I was like, okay, that's perfect. So what I did was I drew my OTE here, and I saw that price came up and tapped OTE level here, and this is also in line with the 5 minute fair value gap. So I was like, okay, this looks very prominent. But I didn't enter off here. So what I did was I waited for even more confirmation. I was like, okay, price tapped this 5 minute and it dumped. I absolutely dumped. And now what I saw, this price after sweeping this low right here, price came back up, retraced, and we had this 1 minute fair value gap that we entered off of. So basically, if you draw your another OTE here, from here to here, it also tapped OTE again. So I was like, okay, this is an OTE, this is in way more above discount or premium area, and this is literally everything that I need to see. OTE, fair value gap, bearish on the 5 minute, bearish on the 1 minute. I was like, okay, this looks good. So basically this trade took a little bit over an hour. So if we entered at 12:45, or we entered around this time, we entered around like 12:50, and we didn't take profit until 3:15. So this trade took a long time, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it was way worth it at the end. So basically I had a losing day earlier. I was gonna just call it a day, but I saw this really clean trade. So basically tap the 1 minute here, started consolidating. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna just let it wait and sit, you know, and it just consolidated a little bit, and then finally price decided to dump, hitting our take profit 1 down here at this low and take profit 2. And this was 396 ticks, and I'm very happy that I caught this trade, and this trade made up for the losses that I lost today. And if right here, this is the P&L. So basically, if you guys don't know, I'm going back, I'm gonna start paper trading again, gain more confluence and everything. And literally I started at 100,000 and now I'm at 103,940, and I want to try to pass, just try to see if I can pass this 100k account. And like, I'm gonna pretend like this is the combine and just practice trading. And as you can tell, I took losses earlier, and then these are the trades I took. I had 3 contracts, and each contract was 1,000 every time I took profits. So price was very volatile today, and I was at the gym while I was hitting take profit, and I'll show you guys in the clip right here.